Hi guys, welcome all to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a video where we'll quickly look at different 2x possible gems for the month of May. So before we begin, let me tell you one thing that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever I say, I'm just sharing my view. Please don't take it as financial advice. Do your own research. And this is going to be very rapid. First of all, I am feeling very happy that ETH has created a new all-time high. Congrats to all ETH believers. If we just look at multiple times where I had tweeted about ETH, and we all know that a lot of times, a lot of people were not believing in ETH, but I told you that ETH is going to perform very well. Just look at this. On 16th April, I had shared 3 new targets of ETH, if you can see over here. And a lot of tweets I had given for ETH, especially since last year, because I think ETH is going to outperform a lot of major coins, and it has already done that since last year. So, congrats to everyone who is holding it, who believed in it, and I'm sure you all will be happy. So, now we look at some charts that I see have potential 2x in them. We can get that 2x possibly in this month or next month, but they are good looking charts. So, that's why I'm sharing those with you. So, uh, just let's jump to the charts. The first chart that I see as a potential 2x or even more is TRB. TRB, as in, if you see the BTC pair, then it's already created a new all-time high. And if we see the BTC pair against TRB, let us see the BTC pair. You can see the potential of TRB. And since Link is pumping, I am sure all the oracles will pump, and TRB is one of a small cap gem in front, in my opinion. If you look at the TRB market cap, let us look at TRB market cap. TRB currently is at $94, and it has around 146 million market cap, 147 million. So, which is really low if we look at the market cap of oracles, as Link is the leader in oracle space, and Link is almost worth 16 or 17 billion dollars. So TRB has a lot of potential. And if you look at the chart also of TRB, then TRB BTC is showing us this growth, and we can see that since alts are pumping well, Bitcoin dominance is falling down, and TRB is on this upwards trend. We can clearly see this is a Bitcoin chart, TRB Bitcoin chart. And as we can see, it's on this upward trend. And once it breaks this resistance currently that it is facing against Bitcoin, these are two immediate resistance for TRB. And once it breaks this, then the next big resistance is over here. So in coming weeks or month, TRB can perform well, because I think all the oracles will perform well, as Link is expected to perform really well. So if you're looking for a 2x gem, then I think you should look at the potential of TRB. I expect it to at least reach here. So if we just look at this resistance from here to here, it's almost 130% in Bitcoin price. So if it can pump 100x, 100%, that is 2x in Bitcoin, then USDT pair, it can go easily till 3 or 4x. So at least, even in worst case scenario, I have a $200. I can say TRV hitting somewhere around $200. This is what I see. Once it breaks this, then it can go. So the first gem that you should look at for a 2x is TRB, as we can clearly see. And having 147 MCAP, that's a really low MCAP for TRB. So the first chart is TRB. Keep that in mind. I'm again telling you, I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you invest, it's your responsibility, whether you make profit or you make loss. Please do your research. So the next potential that I see, I had already tweeted also about this, and but again, I want to remind you, I had tweeted about this when it was at $10. So KCS, that is KuCoin's native token, and it is already pumping. It's already somewhere around $13.5. First, let us look at the MCAP of KuCoin, because KuCoin is one of a highly liquidated exchange. We have high liquidity in KuCoin, and a lot of KuCoin gems are people's favorite. So KuCoin is an important exchange. I believe in masses after Binance, KuCoin is a favorite exchange of people, according to me. So if we see the KuCoin MCAP, it is almost 1 billion plus. So it's a relatively low NCAP, and expecting a 2x from KuCoin is not unreasonable. So I had tweeted about KuCoin when it was at $10 and it's currently at $13. But I still think that KuCoin can, at least my immediate target for KuCoin is around $22. If we look at the 4-hour chart, we are looking at the KuCoin BTC chart, and this is a 4-hour chart. You see KuCoin has broken this downtrend. This was the downtrend which KuCoin has broken. So if we take an immediate target, even of this trend, then I think KuCoin can go. Look at this. It is precisely to where we were looking at. So KuCoin can easily go to $23 as we can see clearly that it has broken this downtrend and now it's going up. So it's already at $13, but still it's a good short-term buy in my opinion. Even from here, if we take, this is easy 70%. So at least 1.5x. So it is easily 17%. Let us look at KuCoin BTC chart. Wow, see over here we can see that it has in fact better potential in BTC. If we see this, then it's clear uptrend. This is an uptrend. Again, this is a daily chart and it's a clear uptrend in this. And so a 2x from here, even in BTC, is going for the next resistance, next big resistance somewhere over here. So if we compare this, so even on Bitcoin chart, we can see that it is almost 100%, 105% for the next major resistance. So in Bitcoin, if it can go 100%, that is 2x, then I'm sure in USDT it can go way higher. So again, guys, keep KuCoin in mind. I see this as a good potential, and you can check it up. And it's a very attractive looking chart. It's broken out, and it can do really well. So we have completed two charts till now, TRB and KuCoin. The next chart that I want you to see is one of our all-time favorite gems, that is VRA. And so let us look at VRA. VRA did a much needed correction, and it is bouncing extremely well once it is done its correction. If you look at this, let's jump to 4 hours. So we can clearly see this was the, we have already have drawings of the past analysis that we had done. So this was the downtrending resistance for VRA, which it has broken. And I can clearly see that even if we look at its all-time high, so the previous all-time high from here is almost 50%, 45%. So 45% is a previous all-time high, but I think once it breaks all-time high, it can go way higher. So VRA can perform really well. I expect a new all-time high for VRA in the month of May. I mean, that is possible. So you guys can have a look at VRA. And if we look at the VRA BTC chart, again, we had we had analyzed this. Just look at this. It's exactly like the resistance that we had made last time. Just look at this. It's exactly at the resistance. So in fact, VRA BTC chart is looking much better than VRA USDT chart. And if we look at a 4-hour chart, so I can clearly see that it is broken the downtrend. It's currently at resistance. And once it breaks this, it will again go for its all-time high. And it can create a new all-time high for sure. Will it create in this month? I think so it can. It has all the potential. So even in Bitcoin terms, it is almost 30% to reach its previous all-time high. So VRA can be a 2x for this month. So keep VRA in mind, and you can look it up. Guys, I request you to please take out 1 second and just like the video so that it can help me reach more people. You all know that YouTube algorithm works like this. So it's just a small favor I need from you all to please like the video and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And that will be a great way to appreciate. So please do that. So we are going to the next potential 2x. And if we go to the next potential 2x, again, I had tweeted about this. That is SRM. It's already pumped. It's already 2x since its dip. Just look at this. We had, in fact, analyzed this chart in last week's live session. And we had made this. And if you can see, I had made this trend line. And we have clearly broken this trend line. Look at this. We had analyzed this chart on our first live video on Thursday or Friday last week. That is just 4 days back. And this was the trend line which I told you is working as a resistance. And when it breaks, it will go for mega pump. And you can clearly see once it broke this trend line, look at this. That was almost a 50% pump immediately after breaking this trend line. And as long as it stays above this trend line, it's already a new all-time high for SRM in USDT pair. But if you look at the MCAP of SRM, the MCAP of FSRM is only $500 million. A $1 billion MCAP for SRM is not unrealistic at all. It's still a low market cap in my opinion. Uni is a multi-billion dollar MCAP and SRM can go to 1 billion MCAP. That's not a big ask. So SRM is, and look at this SRM BTC chart. Again, this is what we had analyzed and it has broken the channel. Just look how amazingly it is going as per analysis. You can look at this analysis. Those who haven't seen the Friday's live video, it's there in the channel. You can look at the video and what analysis we had done. It was somewhere over here, I guess, on Friday when there was a big BTC dump. And now you can see that since last 3 days, it's broken this channel and creating new highs. So this is going for its all-time high in BTC pair also. It's already created a new all-time high in USDT pair, but it's going for all-time high against BTC pair. And if we look at this possibility, it's almost 52% just to reach its all-time high in BTC pair. And I'm sure that once it breaks it, then it can go beyond. But at least it will retest this. So a 50% pump in BTC, that is almost 2x in USDT. So SRM is a very attractive looking chart and it's pumping already. So you can have a look at SRM. Another good opportunity that I see because of Ethereum all-time high, I'm sure all the DeFi projects will pump. And this is a possibility, immense possibility, that is CRV. If we look at the MCAP of CRV, let us look at the MCAP of CRV. It's almost $840 million MCAP. So again, $840 million is not big. It's still undervalued. So I think CRV can go 2x from here. If we look at the CRV USDT chart, we've already seen this. This was the analysis which we had done last time. So I see CRV ultimately going for this price, that is $9 or $10, which is very realistic in my opinion. So will it happen this month? I don't know, but at least if it goes for $10 and currently it's at 3, so this is a 3x in my opinion for sure. But in this month it can go till $5 or $6. If you look at the CRV BTC chart, we had done this analysis, and since it's consolidating, let me delete this. We had done this analysis also on Friday's live session. You can look at that. As we can see that it's currently in an uptrend. This is an upward consolidation, and in fact we can make this. So breaking this triangle at least immediate CRV pump, if it breaks, is this. This is an immediate, and it's going with the resistance. It's going with this resistance. This is for immediate, like if it breaks this channel, whenever it breaks, and it breaks above, then this is possible. And since it's uptrending, I am more biased towards it breaking above than breaking below. So that's an immediate target, but it can pump beyond this also. So this is realistically possible once it breaks this. If we look at these two resistances also from here, the first resistance is around 180% in BTC, 170%. That's huge. The next one is around 286%. This is the potential CRV has in CRV BTC. So expecting a 2x from CRV is very realistic. And it should happen. It should break this, and once it's done. So CRV is sorry. So CRV is a good opportunity again for people who are looking at 2x. So that's it, guys. These are few charts that I wanted to share with you all, which has good potential and can give you a 2x or more returns for people who are looking at 2x. There are some more charts that I want to share with you, and I'll come back tomorrow, same time. We'll come back tomorrow and look at some other charts. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like. There are 11 or 12 people watching it. Please, guys, like the video and do share it with people. Do share it wherever you can. Thank you very much. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.